We love to be extra, but we love it even more when it's easy to do. I look crazy. How'd you get glitter in your hair? And I was like, it's a hair thing. Welcome and welcome back. I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about a product that I use that I think is really good. And I know that a lot of festivals are coming up, so I want to tell you guys about this product just in case you are looking to do like something cool or whatever for the festival that you're going to, right? It comes in a tin like this with 3 different colors, and the packaging looks like this when you first buy it. You get 3 different colors. You get Purple Haze, Rose Glow, and Galactic Rodeo. I used this over the weekend for Dreamvillefest, and I got a lot of compliments on my hair, and I really liked it. I really liked the way it came out. It made my hair look holographic because I used the Galactic Rodeo one because before I bought it, I wasn't sure if it would work on my hair because I have dark hair. But before I got it, I went on to Amika's Instagram and they put this color on a girl's like roots. Her roots were dark and it showed up really nicely. So I was like, okay, that should work for me. You get 3 colors. I only used this one because that was the look I was going for. I'm going to try to insert a video or a picture. I have a picture, but it just kind of looks like my hair is purple, but it was definitely glitter. Like, it looked like glitter in person. Everyone was like, oh my gosh, how did you get your hair to look like glitter? And I was just like, it's a spray. I will say, if the price is kind of not something that you're willing to do, look for, like, ask a friend if they're willing to do or use a different color and then just split the cost. But I would figure out what the cost is, like, if you buy it from Amika, because I pay a different price because I got my store discount, my employee discount. The top is really hard to get off. I don't know if y'all know that over there at Amika, but like you had to put all of your strength into opening it. All of your strength. That's silly. That's silly. I thought it was broken. But if you get that Hercules strength and get that thing open, then this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna spray a little bit because I haven't washed my hair. I don't know, in person you can still tell that my hair is like glittery, but I don't know if it's picking that up on camera. Probably not, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit. Maybe I should spray it on like a piece. Maybe I should just try a different color because this one's done. That is like the only thing I will say is kind of annoying. Like, maybe not annoying, but that is something you might want to consider when you're looking at the price. You're probably only going to use this once, which is fine because like I don't have that many festivals to go to, so like I don't have another use for this anyway. But if you are someone that would want to use this a lot of times, I don't think you're going to be able to. I think it's kind of meant for like 1 or 2 uses. But I have another color here. We'll see if it shows up. This is Smoky Silvery Purple. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, I cannot get this open. And I'm too tired to be fighting with this thing. You have to like twist it and pull at the same time. It's... Oh, another thing that I noticed when I was at Dreamvillefest. When you spray it, it kind of makes your hair a little stiff. So I would recommend spraying a little bit and then adding, because if you spray too much, your hair's gonna be stiff. And it wasn't like stiff to the point where I was like, oh my god, I'm never using this again, but it was like noticeably stiff. So yeah, like spray a little bit, assess, spray a little bit more, assess, spray a little bit more, and go about your day, right? Let's see how this one looks. I never sprayed this one, so I don't even know. This one just looks gray. I think that's why I didn't use it. But if you're going for the gray look, this will definitely get you there. Yeah, no, that's not the, that ain't it, cheap. That gray is ugly, but that's on me. I don't like it. But that might be the look you're going for. And you could probably like spray the gray and then spray a different color on top, so it just looks like a glittery gray. Yeah, no, that's not the look for me. I just sprayed it all over my hair, and like I said, I would try and get a picture. I just want to say that I think this is a really cool idea. It actually worked better than I expected it to work, so I was happy about that. And I got a lot of compliments. Like, everyone was so just like intrigued by my glittery hair, and it actually showed up on my dark hair. So if you have lighter hair, it'll look even doper, like even doper, even more dope. If you have lighter hair, it'll look better. I have a past video of like from the first time I was supposed to go to dreamvillefest and then the whole hurricane happened. I will link that video right there, so click click click. And you know, this is something I would incorporate to those hairstyles as well. I just didn't have much time to do my hair before I needed to leave, so I kind of just wore my hair curly. Like, I just wore it out and sprayed the glitter. But this would look dope on like a hairstyle with some glitter. Poppin'. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're going to a festival anytime this year in 2019, I want you to put that in the comments. Or if there's a festival you want to go to, like you might not have planned to go to this year but you want to go into the future, I want you guys to comment what festivals you would love to eventually be a part of. For me, I'm gonna say Afropunk. Definitely want to go to Afropunk. Essence Fest. Definitely want to go to Essence Fest. Curl Fest. Definitely want to go to Curl Fest. Oh, Curl Fest, I'm popping out. I'm going to Curl Fest. I don't know how I'm gonna make that work, but I'm going to Curl Fest.